Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Samurai Legends. My name is Shlok, and yep, I got birds. So I have two. This one's a male, which is on me. His name is Kuka, and he is 5 months old. And that's the other one. She is 9 months old, and she does not like coming on people. Yeah, but he is very friendly and loves sitting on people and just bites anything. Most of the times he bites and eats my specs or my clothes, anything that he gets. And he also sings lovely tunes. He whistles. He loves chewing on stuff. And yeah, and that one over there, her name's Cookie. I don't know, but we just got the name. She loves to just stay high up. She sits on the fan when we let her out. He's very naughty sometimes, but I don't know. He just goes, when he's shy, he'll just go behind me, not be seen, but still he's there. Yeah, so basically. Yeah, so he's still there behind me. She's afraid, I guess. But still, yeah, he's a very cute parrot, and from now on he'll be a part in my videos. Hey guys, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. It is very easy for you, but it means a lot to me. So if you don't want to get bitten by him or eaten by him, please like or share.